How to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to log in into business.facebook.com. Once you log in, you will land on this kind of dashboard. Now to connect your Instagram account, head over to this menu bar on your left hand side and click on settings. Now under your settings, again you will have this menu bar on your left hand side. Under account section, there you will have an option for Instagram account. Click on it. Now in order to add your Instagram account, click on add button here, and then you will have to agree with all these terms and conditions and then click on add Instagram account. So once you land on this login portal, you have to log in or provide the login credential of your Instagram account and then simply click on login. If your credential is correct and if you're logged in, your Instagram account will be added on your Meta Business Suite, and make sure to follow all of the prompted instructions carefully. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.